Hello and welcome guys, my name is Juni Bhaiya and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to remove your Google account from any Android phone. Sometimes we log in our Google account in others' phone such as our friend's phone or our relative phone to do some important work, and after this we log out our Google account, but it does not remove our Google account from their device. Our contacts and other details are still storing in their device. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to completely remove your Google account from any Android device. Let's jump into the video. So I am here on my phone screen. First you have to open Settings app. After opening Settings on your phone, you have to search for Accounts. There you will find an option of users and accounts. In some mobile this is only accounts, and in some mobile it is named as Google. My phone has user and accounts option. Click on this option. Here your mobile will show all the accounts login into this device. I will choose Google because I want to completely remove a Google account from my device. So click on Google. Google will show me all the accounts that are logged in to this device. I will scroll down and choose the account which I want to completely remove. After this page will appear. As you see, all your details are syncing into this phone. So for completely removal, click on the three dots on the top right corner. Here the option of remove account will appear. Click on it. It will ask you to confirm if you actually want to remove this account, because it will delete all your message, contacts and all other data from this phone. So we want this, so we will click on remove account. After this account has been completely removed from our mobile. Now I am showing you that is it actually removed. I will go to my Gmail. As you see that the account has been removed from here. That's it for today's video. If my video helps you, please like our video and click on the subscribe button. You can also tell me any question and any problem if you are having in the comment section. It's me, Juni Bhaiya, signing out.